First of all, let me tell you that what is the meaning of speech, or what are actually parts of speech. These are all 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We have discussed the noun and all its kinds. Hope you all have understood all that. Now we will discuss the next part of speech, and it is pronoun. Pronouns are those words that are used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. कि आप बार बार नाउन को रिपीट करेंगे तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, इट डज नॉट लुक गुड. तो आप नाउन की रेपिटेशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए या नाउन की रेपिटेशन को रिपीट करने के लिए नाउन की प्लेस पे जो आप वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज प्रोनाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो रिपीटेडली वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड अली, अली एंड अली. सो टू अवॉइड दिस रेपिटेशन हम इस वर्ड को एलिमिनेट कर देंगे एंड वी विल राइट हियर ही इन प्लेस ऑफ अली. तो ही इज़ अ प्रोनाउन बिकॉज हमने ही को यूज़ किया है टू एलिमिनेट अली. इसके नाउन को बार बार रेपिटेशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग दिस वर्ड. सो दिस वर्ड इज़ नोन एज नाउन. इन द सेम वे इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द नेम ऑफ एनी फीमेल, तो उसकी रेपिटेशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए वी विल यूज़ द वर्ड शी. द बेसिक मेन प्रोनाउंस आर, ठीक है, दीज आर द बेसिक प्रोनाउंस ही, शी, इट, आई, वी, दे एंड यू. He is used for singular male person, she is used for singular female person, it is used for any non-living thing, I you use to describe yourself, we is used जब आप खुद involve हो, collective, it's a group of people. They is also used for more than one people, and you as the second person pronoun you use it, ठीक है. You is used for any other person. Okay, now we will learn its different types, or we will make a pronoun chart, or you can, now we will discuss different types, or you can see the pronoun chart in which there are different types of pronouns. First of all, there are subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that are used, most of the time they are used in the beginning of the sentence at subject place. In tenses you also have learned कि आपका starting का जो portion है, that is subject. Those words that are used at subject place, they are known as subject pronouns. And object pronouns, object pronouns are those pronouns that are used at object place. Next we have possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns shows the possessions of different, like you can say like my. If something belongs to you, you will say it's my book. If something belongs to any boy, you will say it's his book. And in the same way, reflexive pronouns are wrote up like in this way. I is subject pronoun, its object pronoun is me, and its possessive pronoun my and mine, and reflexive pronoun is myself. If you do work yourself, you will write it that I have done this work myself. He is subject pronoun. At object place he becomes him. जब आप he को object place पे use करेंगे, it becomes him. And the next possessive pronoun is his and himself. She is subject pronoun, its object pronoun is her, and its possessive pronoun is hers, and reflexive pronoun herself. It remains the same at object place as well, its and itself. We is a subject pronoun, and when you change it in object pronoun, it becomes us, our, and ours, they are possessive pronouns, and ourselves is the reflexive pronoun. They is a subject pronoun, them again it's object pronoun of they, and their and themselves. You, your, or you can also say it yours and yourself. So it's all about pronoun and it's all types. Hope you all have understood.